LED headlights, yo. Alright. Black is alright. Or that silver. Whatever. We're gonna go ahead and pop them in. Replace them. Start out by, let's get some oil. Start out by taking them Phillips screws out. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it out. Here we go. Come on, man. Focus. Focus. Alright. There's 3 screws. 1 right there. 1 at the bottom right here. There's 1 right there. So you just loosen those a little bit and then you're going to spin it out like that. And then this pops out. And then the headlight comes out. Ta-da! And it already unplugged it. So I'll go ahead and just clean this up a little bit. It has like orange from like the previous paint. So I'm going to go ahead and knock that out real quick. Let me get some of that steel wool real quick.
Alcatraz.
Alright guys, so the audio got distorted somehow. So I'm just going to do a little quick voiceover here. So pretty much what happened was I can't fit the igniter. I don't know what that is, but it's like an igniter that the LEDs came from. So here you're going to see me try to shove it all in the little housing. These lights, I originally wanted them in silver, but I don't know what happened. They came in black, so whatever. I guess it'll match with the rest of the black on the car. So I took the wrapping paper off. And now here I'm going to try to attempt to shove it all in there, which is definitely not going to happen. So just enjoy me shuffling the lights around. I also didn't really care about the little bars on there, those little reflector bars or whatever they are. I just think overall about the wrong set of lights to begin with. So here I am trying to shove it all in there, and it's not happening. Because the headlight will not sit flush with the housing. And when it's not sitting flush with the housing, it's not allowing me to secure the light with the trim, the ring trim, or whatever you call it. So the ring trim doesn't fit flush on there. The headlight is not secured properly. So here I am just realizing that I have to cut a hole through the back of the housing to get the igniter box. See, it's not sitting flush right now. I can't get those short little screws to lock in place, as you can see. Sorry about the baby crying all over talking here. It's my little niece. She just woke up from her nap. So I'm pointing to the place where I'm about to start cutting. And I'm explaining what I have to do right now, which is cut a hole to that fit the harness. But I'm not sure if all the light kits are like that. That's just for this one particular set. And there's the ignition box that's too big and bulky. Alrighty then. There's the hole that I cut. Yep. I didn't want to. It really hurt my soul to cut into such an original piece of the car. But you know what? You just gotta do what you gotta do. So now I'm shoving the wires in there. I first unplug it, shove the wire harness in there, then I'm gonna check to see if I'm about to check to see if it's gonna sit flush. So the wire harness is through in the hole. And we're about to attempt placement. And I got to sit flush. So now you just gotta adjust the headlight to how you want the LEDs, what position you want the LEDs to be at. That was a pain in the butt because I didn't mark the housing, which was top and bottom. So I was sitting there playing around with the fitment for like 20 minutes. I actually had to get longer screws too for the little headlight bezel, whatever you want to call it. We're going to call it the bezel. I had to get 3 longer screws because the little tiny ones are so short. They're like the size of like as wide as your finger, your pinky finger. I actually tested the lights before install. They're really bright. For the low beam, I think it's the middle lights light up. It's like the middle 4 LEDs or however many are in the middle. And then the high beam is the other, bottom and top. Pretty much all of them light up. Alright y'all, got it in there. So all you gotta do is do the other side and you're done. So I'm sorry my battery is pretty much dead, so you know what to do. If you got any questions, shoot them down below. Go ahead and like this video if you thought it was helpful, or if you didn't think it was helpful for that. And go ahead and subscribe for more content. Sorry, it's cold. Alright y'all, thanks for watching this short video.